Hey friends, welcome to another product unboxing and review. Today we are checking out the Shark Wandvac. This is a cord-free handheld vacuum. This comes with a charging dock and tools, lightweight, powerful, 1.4 pounds. So this is the latest technology from Shark as far as their new vacuum cleaners go, like handheld technology. I really we have two of the other Shark vacuums, and they are quite good. No bad things to say about them, and they're dealing with a company. They stand by their products. We use our vacuums a lot. We had one catch on fire, almost it was smoking. It was an old one, we used it a lot. And they pretty much just sent us a new vacuum, so they're really good. No questions asked, really. So I'm really happy with the brand. Okay, so in here initially we have the instructions on top. This is the VV201CO. I guess there's a 401 that's got a little bit more power, but that's all right. And on top here we have the actual vacuum. And look at that. That's pretty cool. I wonder if it's got some kind of a charge already. Wow. All right, that sounds... It's got some high velocity. There's a lot of wind coming out of here, so I imagine the suctions... Whoa. They're not... That's some serious suction right there. That is impressive. All right, we have a button here on the top. I think we'll just push that forward. It dumps the little trash there, and it just snaps back in place. So here is it again. Just push that. That kicks out, dumps your trash. Everything good like that. That is pretty slick, guys. Shark has a good reputation. All right, we have more things here. I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Right on there like that, so you can get down there on the flat surfaces. What else we got here? Some nice packing job as well. A wand attachment, and that's pretty neat. The little bristles fold out of the way. So if you need that to help you get the stuff out of the cracks, that's there. And if you don't need it, it folds right out of the way. So that's pretty clever. And the same system there, it just puts right in that. And I think we might be able to extend this. No. Okay. That's all right. See if I can't get the charging thing out here. Has this charging station. So this should be the final portion here. All right, that is pretty cool, actually. So, clean the filters. We're going to be showing you how to do all that. This plugs in there. It has little base here. I think we can put that right there, yeah. I'm sorry, and this can go, maybe that other one goes in first. There we go. And then this one, I think. Oh, nope, we're gonna go this way, I believe. Or maybe this way. Or maybe how way. I might have to look at the instructions to see how to get this thing on there. Which is kind of funny. Nope. Okay. So it's just going to sit like that. It's pretty compact, kind of out of the way. It just has a real small footprint there, which I kind of like. All right, I am going to check out the instructions, see if there's anything I missed. We'll go over the cleaning. We'll show you the suction power. We're going to do all that. Let's get into it. Well, we got this fully charged now, and had some dust from another vacuum, so I just kind of spilled it out here, and we're going to suck it up. So here we go. All right, so little container fills up kind of fast, and we're going to demonstrate how to clean that out real quick. Okay, we're just going to press this button forward here, and that dumps out quick and easy. Now, if you want to remove this and clean it out, you just push this little button there and that comes out. You can rinse it off with water if you want. I'll probably do that after this. Okay, and to put it back, you just get this part here and it lines up right there. Just push it into place. Okay, and then to close it, just like that. All right, let's finish cleaning up our mess here. This is not very loud, but it definitely has some good suction power. All right, we'll just empty the rest of this out here with the flick of a button. Oops, I wasn't aiming correctly. We got a little mess to clean up here. So just be cognizant that flips out that way, so we can just put it over this way like that. Give it a couple of taps there. And we're good to go. Let's collect some hair here as well. So you just kind of grab that and throw it away. And that just snaps into place. All right, so works really good. I just want to show you guys real quick this other part here. So we take this out, and then to clean the filter, this just slides forward. Okay. And in there's a little HEPA filter, so you can grab it with this little cord, and if it's anything in there, we can clean this as well. Tap that out. Okay, that'll get all the dust out of that. Put this back in there. It slides right into place. So all this you can just wash and let it dry. The HEPA filter, you don't need to wash it, just tap it out. But the rest of this stuff, see how there's just a little bit of dust and stuff in there. If you want to clean that like every month or something, you could just clean it. I'll probably make a video on that. But as you can see, this thing's got a lot of power. It's pretty quiet. It's easy to dump out everything for small little messes and stuff like that. This is a handy little tool. It charges in about 2.5 hours, and this light indicates like about when it's done, so it'll start flashing and dimmer and stuff. So that's pretty nice. It's easy to hold. Like, it's only 1.25 pounds, so it's not like it's anything heavy, but for as much as it weighs, it definitely has a lot of suction power. So I mean, so it was holding itself there. I wasn't. It was holding itself with the suction that it has, so that's pretty impressive. All right, my friends. I think I'm just going to take it apart, do a little cleaning, show you guys how to do that, and then we'll go on to the final review. We're going to just clean this real fast. So hit our release button here. That's going to pop this out. Push this button here, and that releases that. Okay, you can slide this forward, just like that. And if you have like a little brush thing, you just kind of tap this out, or just like that comes in through there. So you could use like a little brush to clean that, or if you have another vacuum, you could vacuum that out too. We'll set that aside, not really dirty. Pull out your little filter, just like that, and you tap that. Actually quite a bit of stuff in there. So to get this stuff out, I like to just tap in like a 360. So just kind of tap one side and just work your way around, because it'll get trapped in all those little spaces there. So just kind of each spot, tap on each end of the thing. That'll pretty much get all your stuff out there. Okay, as you can see, mostly clean. All right, so this part will catch some hair. You can just kind of grab that stuff. But if you want to do a kind of a deep clean, get a little bit of water, I think, on here. There's some stuff here too. So this is just plastic here. It's a nice little stainless steel thing there. Some dust caught by that HEPA filter. And some hairs might get caught in here too. And I don't recommend cleaning this like all the time, but once in a while is not a bad idea, right? And then you can let it air dry, or if you're in a hurry to get it done, you can grab a paper towel, just kind of hand dry that. That. Usually when we clean our other vacuums, we kind of leave it out overnight to dry out a little bit. Just put it in the dishwasher rack really, and that just kind of dries. So we'll do it towards the end of the night there, and then you can just set it out to air dry the rest of the way. If you're in a hurry, you can use a kind of a hair dryer or something if you want, but not really necessary. So I like how user-friendly this is. This little reservoir doesn't hold a lot of stuff. As you could see, that stuff that I cleaned up, I kind of emptied out from our other vacuum cleaner. But it definitely has a lot of suction, for sure. It has a impressive amount of suction. I'm not sure how long the battery lasts. I might just run it until it stops to see how long that's going to last. So, okay, I think I might actually just do that. I'm just going to run the battery down, get a little time on, see how much it is, and then we'll just go on to the final review. So obviously, to put this stuff back together, we would just reverse the steps. And this is mostly dry, so you just push this little filter in there, make sure that clip is down. That just fits right into place. This slides in there, just like that, snaps into place. Just like that. Very easy, very user-friendly, and you are ready to go. So I'm just going to run the vacuum, and kind of put on a little timer, see how long it goes. We'll go on to the final review. Okay guys, this shark vacuum is really nice. I am impressed with the suction power, the ease of use, how easy it is to clean, how light it is, the amount of force it has, the attachments, everything in this, as well as the other shark vacuums by my experience, is well thought out and just a super handy little piece of equipment here. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, it does have a little stopper here, so when it sucks stuff up and you point it down, this stuff's not going to fall out. So I ran it, what was it, 9? So after I ran it, I just left it on, and it ran 9 minutes, and that was with the video I had before, so I'm guessing it's about a 15-minute nonstop runtime, which is not bad, and it takes about 2 hours to charge fully. Just super handy for like little messes or something and you don't want to haul out the big vacuum cleaner. This thing's so lightweight. The charger, the attachments is just such a small footprint. You can just pretty much tuck it in out of the way and it's not going to be even noticeable. Plus this thing is not an eyesore. It's a pretty cool looking little like futuristic vacuum cleaner here, guys. Nothing but good things to say about this, and if it's like my other shark items, which it appears to be, it's going to be last a long time. So guys, if you want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below on Amazon. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.